From its colorful coral reefs to its famous beaches, St. Maarten offers countless exciting shore excursions for cruisers. For an enchanting underwater adventure, join us on a guided day of snorkeling at Creole Rock, one of the top 10 things to do in St. Maarten. Sail past iconic landmarks like Fort Louise, then slip into the turquoise water to meet the resident marine life. Disembark your cruise ship and step onto a sleek catamaran to sail past the ruins of Fort Amsterdam, Little and Cay Bays, and Pelican Key. Listen to Caribbean music, lounge on the trampoline net, and watch for pods of dolphins on the horizon. For an adrenaline rush, hop on a Rhino Rider inflatable boat and zip through the waters of Simpson Bay Lagoon on your way out to the Caribbean Sea. Surround yourself with tropical scents on a guided tour of an island perfume factory. Learn about the intricate process of crafting scents. Then, create a personalized fragrance to take home, the perfect St. Maarten keepsake. Always wanted to try scuba diving? On our beginner scuba day on St. Maarten, descend up to 35 feet to experience the undersea realm under the guidance of a certified dive master. Later, set off into the sunset on a champagne cruise, enjoying a red carpet welcome with an open bar, delicious snacks, and first-class service. When it comes to what to do in your St. Maarten cruise port, we work with the best so we can offer the best. Reserve your spot today on these top shore excursions. Shore Excursions Group. The best excursions, the best prices, guaranteed.